Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the June 2026 Cafe Card Kit. So our card kit comes out every other month and it includes all the product you need to make a minimum of 6 cards and a whole lot more. So this month we're featuring Echo Park's My Favorite Monster. So this is a perfect little boy collection. Of course you can do more than just boys, but I can just see some awesome birthday cards and just happy hellos for a sweet little boy in this collection. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything that you're going to get in this month's kit. So I'm going to start with the cardstock here. You're going to get some full 12 by 12 sheets of cardstock. These are from Cartabella and from Basil here. And of course, I film early, so some of this may have changed manufacturers or something, but you'll get these colors. So you're going to get a sheet of this golden color. This one is amber. You're going to get some olive green and some cornflower blue cardstock. This month is a little bit different. Oh, and I should say you're going to get two 8.5 by 11 sheets of white cardstock, and this is that really heavy weight, so you can use it as extra card bases if you want. We also give you card bases, so you're going to get 6 envelopes. And this month is a little bit different. We usually give you like 6 pre-scored cards just for regular A2 size. This month you're going to get 4 that are just folded in half, A2 size, and then you're going to get 2 for a special card. This is for a pillar card, and so when you get your kit, you'll have your little recipe card password. So go on and download that, and you'll be able to make these cards. So you'll see that it's pre-scored. Hopefully you can maybe see that it's pre-scored. So it's going to make a fun little twist on a card, and then you're going to get 2 of these 4x3 card fronts that go with that. So that's all your cardstock pieces. And like I said earlier, the collection that we're going to be featuring is Echo Park, My Favorite Monster. So you're going to get half a pack of the 6x6 pad. This is adorable, and it is double-sided. So we have this one that's all the little frames of monsters and sayings. The back is this blue tone-on-tone star print. We have the cut-apart cards. These are 3x3, so these would make great card fronts. The back is a diamond in the blue, and then we have all the little monster eyes. Striped, that's a squiggly line, all the cute little monsters. The back is a tone-on-tone green, and then we have this cut apart with some longer border pieces and then 3x4s. The back is a chevron print. We have a plaid with stitching. The back is a tone-on-tone yellow with stars. Another one of the monsters with a navy and white stripe. A 2x3 cut apart. Again, I love 6x6 pads, and this just makes it so easy to make cards out of. This one is a polka dot and all the different colors on white, and then we have the monster feet, little diamond shapes, stripes in all the different colors, and then the tone-on-tone blue like the green we had. Another cut apart, so we've got some 3x4s and 2x2s. Another squiggly line, another sheet of those monsters, and then kind of a grayish brown grayish, I always call it grayish, white stars. So that is your paper pad. You're going to get some pre-printed sentiments here, so you don't even have to stamp them out or anything. I love that. If you have a die that's a border or a banner die or something like that, or a punch, it'd be super cute to use that. You're going to get a yard of lawn fawn twine. You're going to get the enamel dots, and then you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So lots of embellishments here to use on the cards. Super cute. Can't wait to see everybody's creations with this collection. So that is the June Cafe Card Kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available that we have in the store, as well as individual items. So there's a ton of stuff in the store right now. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kit.